Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing very delicious copycat recipe. I am making Ihop-style breakfast burritos which you can make at home. You can wrap up all your favorite ingredients in a roll. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we need hash brown for this recipe. So I took pre-packaged hash brown patty and baked them according to the package instruction. You can fry them as well. Now I'm here taking a flat spatula and try to flatten these patties as much as I can. And now just put these patties on the side and we will go and scramble our eggs. I already shared the scrambled egg recipe with you guys and I will link that down below for you. Here I'm just seasoning it with some salt and black pepper and I will now softly scramble this egg. So just don't completely scramble the egg. As soon as it start coming together and extra butter dry out, just take it out on the platter. Here in the same pan I'm sauteing some vegetables. I have some chopped onions and bell pepper and I will season these with salt and pepper as well and just cook them until they just soften. Transfer them onto the platter as well and time to roll our burrito. Here I'm taking some flour tortilla, warm it up before rolling it up, and I have some sausage patty which I cooked and chopped it into small pieces. And now it's time to roll the burrito. First I place this hash brown patty, top it off with some scrambled egg, chopped sausages, you can use whatever meat you like, and then some sauteed vegetables. I hope you use cheddar jack cheese for the burrito. I have shredded cheddar and mozzarella. You can use whatever cheese you like. So after arranging the filling in the center, just fold the sides inward over the filling and then just roll the burrito over the filling, tucking as you roll. You just start with the bottom flap, then covering the filling, roll the burrito, tucking the flap firmly inwards as you roll to secure all the twisty burrito filling, like so. Now there's another way. Instead of folding the sides in first, you can just cover the filling first and then you can start bringing the sides in and then you can start rolling the burrito. Keep on tucking the filling so filling won't come out when you grill or eat. Now you can roll up your burrito however you like. Here I already preheated my grill pan, lightly greasing it, and then put your burrito seam side down on a medium to high flame. Just grill it until tortilla get that crispy charred color on both sides. Flip and let it cook on the other side as well. And this is how your IHOP style burrito is ready to serve. Today I am serving with side of avocado and sour cream. You can definitely serve some salsa on the side and enjoy this delicious burrito. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.